Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As per usual, I'll get to it. So this is a quick analysis of my sketch this morning, and this was of an older, it looked like a fisherman, and it was an older man. His whole face, apart from obviously his eyes there, was covered either with a hat or his beard, and he was very, very wrinkled. He had a really interesting face, and at first I didn't know whether I'd be able to capture it or not, but I gave it a try, and I'm actually really quite happy with overall results. And I didn't put all the detail in, as you can see, for the wrinkles. I thought if I put too many lines in, it's going to look far too cluttered, so that's why I kept it a little bit more minimalist. Sketch 1 took me 3 minutes, 2 minutes 30 and 2 minutes. This one was more of a kind of quick sketch style, so that's why the nose isn't quite right, but it was worth a try. So number 1 is actually closest to the original reference photo. I will go back and try this sketch again, just so that I can actually see if I can actually improve. I have found that if I go back to photos that I've tried, maybe a month later, a week later, I can actually produce better results. So along with geometric and observational methods, I utilise good speed, creating the feedback loop, and that is where you get the analysis and summary of how you can improve. Let me know what you think, and I shall see you next time. Bye guys.